So the next draw is going to be the 14th August, next Friday. It's going to be a total of 6 giveaways on the 14th August. So the one giveaway is going to be, I'm busy now with a study desk. You have to follow or you have to be subscribed to be able to win a prize. I will also be doing a surprise giveaway to one of the subscribers and followers that has been liking, sharing and commenting on most of my videos. So what I'm going to do now is get the spine wood glued together. The color theme on this table, what do you guys think? One side white, one side black. And then on the varnish, one side dark varnish, one side light varnish. Comment below. Okay, as you can see, the front's going to have nice round corners. The back is going to be square. So this study desk is 1.35 meters long. What do you guys think about those round corners? Yeah, so my phone just fell and broke. Well, the screen cracked. Luckily it's still working. Yeah, then it should look something like that. What do you do? Just remember the number 76.